Hello class, my name is Carlene Cheruno and today I will be talking about one of the world's most asked questions, and that is why are Americans so obese? Today we will learn what obesity is, who is affected by it, what the consequences are, and how we can make a difference. Obesity is a medical condition that occurs when a person carries excess weight or body fat that might affect their health. Obesity can be caused by a lack of nutritional food, a lack of exercise, genetics and age, intake versus outtake. Obesity is measured by your BMI. BMI is your body mass index, which is calculated by your age, weight, and height. Having a high BMI is 30 or over, and that considers you obese. Another thing that contributes to obesity is just we are consuming greasier and unhealthy foods, such as processed foods and fast foods, and it has led us to this obesity epidemic that we are in. Another contributor to this is sugar. As you can see here, the recommended daily sugar intake is 150 calories, and in the charts, we are surpassing that over 50%. As this slide shows you, in 1950 and now 2019, that's a 69-year difference. Our food portions have increased tremendously, not double, but triple the size, and we're still not being satisfied with what we're consuming. We're all affected by obesity, but it does differ in men, women, youth, elders, and race and income. But as you can see, both men and women have drastically become more obese over the years. In many studies, all races have been affected by obesity, but some more than others. On this chart, white tending to be on the lower end of the chart, Latinos in the middle, and African Americans tending to be on the higher end of the chart. Income affects obesity as well. Those who tend to have a lower income and are more prone to be more obese, whereas those with a higher income tend to be less obese, and that just is because of limited resources and lack of healthy and affordable access to foods. There are various consequences to obesity, one of them being or having cardiac problems, and that can be because obesity changes the structure and function of your heart, and the more weight you have, the more blood you have flowing through your body. Another consequence can be different illnesses and conditions, and one of them being cancer and various types of cancers because of obesity. A couple other more medical complications due to obesity can be diseases and different conditions, things anywhere like from diabetes to high blood pressure, and even affecting your reproduction system. Being obese can also take an effect of your brain, and this causing depression, and having depression can affect your overall lifestyle and your living every day. Being obese also takes a toll on your pocket. While you're saving money by eating fast foods and things that are much cheaper, versus healthier options, it will take a toll on your medical expenses and things like that. Obese patients tend to spend up to 36% to 150% more on healthcare or their medical bills because they have to purchase more medication, and they have to have different accommodations. So what are we going to do about it? How can we better ourselves? Will America always have this epidemic? Will we always be known as the obese country? No. What we need to do now is we need to start exercising more. We need to go to the gym. You can exercise by just taking a walk or exercising at home. The average recommended exercise for Americans is 150 minutes a week. That's 21 minutes a day. We need to start making healthier meals, start making healthier choices. For example, we need to have an apple over potato chips. We need to just have more time in the kitchen and seeing what is going into our foods. We need to become more knowledgeable. We need to know, like I said, what we are consuming, what is being put in our foods, whether it be processed foods or like healthy foods. We need to know what's going in. We need to start reading our labels, and we just need to be more aware. We need to start making better choices, and we will stop this. I believe we are going into the right direction, and we will no longer be obese America. Thank you guys. And right here is my ID.